Here are 4 planning mistakes that can cost you dearly. Give me 3 minutes and I'll share with you the 4 most common planning mistakes I see. And any one of these mistakes could cost you dearly, and I'll tell you how to avoid them. Comment or leave a message and I'll give you a free guide to estate planning. No email required. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Gary, the founder of DeWitt Law. We've helped thousands of individuals and families create effective estate plans. Plans that eliminate probate and other tragic lifetime legal problems. Problems that could literally cost you everything you have, even if it's not your fault. Give me 3 minutes and I'll share the 4 most common estate planning mistakes I see. Any one of these mistakes could cost you dearly, and then I'll tell you how to avoid them. The first mistake is not having a plan at all. If you don't write a plan, then the state has written one for you. Their plan involves probate, court, and impartial state law. You don't get to make the decisions, the state has already made them for you. You don't get to decide who makes what, or you don't get to decide who gets what, when, how, and how much. A lot of people like to plan by just putting their children on the deeds along with them. They also like to put them on the accounts. The problem is, their financial problems become your financial problems. Every other driver on the street becomes a possible lawsuit that can be paid for out of your stuff. Your children's credit issues, medical bills, lawsuits, and more become your problems. Your house and money become assets that can be used to pay for their issues. Estate planning is about much more than who gets your stuff. It's about preventing lifetime problems too. If you're in an accident or have a medical incident, maybe develop dementia, then your family will be glad that you have an estate plan in place. Because if you don't have a plan, then most likely your family will have to go to court and get a judge's permission to make decisions for you. And those decisions will be made under the watchful eye of the judge. Finally is do-it-yourself planning. I see it all the time. Children come in whose parents did their own planning. I often have to tell them that their plan is wrong, bad, or invalid, maybe the deed was done wrong, and other bad news. If mom or dad had just taken the time to get professional advice and help, these problems could have been avoided. People come in all the time and want me to give opinions on a plan they wrote. It doesn't take long to find various issues with them. You avoid all of these mistakes and more by using a professional estate planning attorney. Not an attorney that does wills on the side, an attorney that will tailor an effective and comprehensive plan that fits your and your family's needs. Comment or send me a message and I'll give you a free guide to estate planning. No email address required.